Hello everyone, guys. In this video, I will tell you how you can earn $200 plus every day from Chat GPT. And in this video, you don't need any website, any hosting, or anything. So let's first me explain how you can earn. Later in this video, I will tell you how to uh, publish articles and other things. So AdSense gives $1 for every 1,000 views. This is the average thing. So if you publish $1, if you publish one article, then you minimum you get 20 views minimum, that is minimum, and 20 articles per day equals to 400 views per day. After 30 days you have 600 articles published, so that is equal to 2,40,000 views per month, and 2,40,000 views per month equals to daily equals to $240 daily. Okay, so I will tell you how to and where to publish these articles. So if you share your articles continuously on social media and your network, also publish your news articles or new articles regularly, then it will make minimum approx 250. Okay, so guys, this is the website. I will give you the link in the description. Here you don't need any your own website, your own hosting, and your already approved AdSense account. This is the website. So here you can see that write and earn. I will give you the link in the description and comment pin for this same page, write and earn. So here you can read the terms condition, like okay, the article should have minimum 450 words. So you just need to write AI articles. Then the next second condition, your article should be minimum 90% plagiarism free, no matter if you use any AI tool for writing. So not need to worry about that. And also read all these terms conditions carefully. So this is the revenue scheme. If you gain 1,000 article views, like your published article get 1,000 views, then you get $1 in your wallet. For 2,000 $2, 5,000 $6, and in this way 2 lakh article views equals to $200. So one more important thing, like adding articles will get ad views. Like if you add 5 articles, publish 5 articles, and each with 200 plus words, then your total views will be 1,000. So $1 will be credited. So need not to make one article for 1,000 views, but make multiple articles. Okay, so their views will be added. So here 2 buttons, sign up and login. Okay, so the process is very simple. Like here you click on the sign up and add your basic details like username should be unique, like that is not already registered. If it shows this green outer line, then it means that it is not available. Good. So next one is the required name, profile name, and here you have to enter your email address. So watch this tutorial complete and I will tell you it is the best proven technique to earn minimum $200 per day. Like it will take a month, but that is a 100% genuine thing. So here you need to add a strong password, and then you have to read the privacy policy by clicking here, and you must have to agree on that, and then complete sign up. Okay, check your email to activate your account. Okay, so let me just open my email. Yes, here you can see an email from Searchvartica. Yes, you can click on this link or just copy and paste. Yes, that's it. Sorry. Okay, just so it will give you an activation key already, and you just need to click on this activate button. Okay, your account is now activated. So you can click on this login button and enter your username or email address here, and then password. Okay, so yes, this is the front end of the website, but we need to go to backend. So we can just click on this new and then post. We can also go to dashboard. Okay, let's just go to dashboard. Let me explain you other things also. So here you can see posts, and in this post page we will see all other posts, but we will not able to edit them. We only publish our posts. Okay, by just clicking on this add new. I will explain these also. I will explain you how you can add post from Chat GPT easily. So this is post pay counter. This is your counter on which, sorry, so here your stats, your earning, your views will be shared. Okay, so here in this post pay counter you can see your daily or weekly, monthly posts. Okay, so this is the basic version of Chat GPT, like okay, but you need to install, you need to go to Google Chrome and then install PRM AI PRM for Chat GPT. This is the extension for Chat GPT and available on Google Chrome store. Okay, so just click on the here activate button. Here in my screen you will see remove from Chrome, because I already installed. So in your screen it will be like install or activate. Okay, just click on that, and after that your it will show to register on AI PRM. You can register that or ignore that. Okay, so in after installing AI PRM, your home screen will be, new chat screen will be like this. So here you need to select human return 100% unique SEO. It's just simple. You just need to select the type of article you want, like fully SEO optimized article. Okay, let me also show you how to choose the topic. So go to trends.google.com/home. So after that you can click on this trending now button and then real time searches, so real time trends, and from here you can select the country. So choose United States. Also from this right side bottom button, also you can go to post and new to publish the posts, and then check the categories that are available. So a technology category is available, so you can publish on the tech, science and tech category. So choose a topic, related queries. So you always have to choose your topic from these related queries, because Chat GPT is not able to write article on the recent topics. So always choose topics from related queries. Okay, okay, also we can go to business, because business category is also available. Mm-hmm. Okay, choose a category, Saturday Night Live, Pete Davidson. So this is a good category. Oh, sorry, that good title, and we just need to click and enter to write it article. So first it write this performer, and then start articles, write article writing. Okay, so wait for few seconds. Yeah, it stops in between, so we just need to click continue writing please, by just clicking on this continue button. In free version of ChatGPT it stops sometime, so we need to start it again. Okay, so here this article is published. Sorry, this article is ready to publish. Okay, so start from here, Saturday Night Live. Okay, Also, we ask ChatGPT to give keyword focus keyword, SEO title, and meta description. So like we can write this command right after this article: give me SEO title, meta description, and focus keyword. That's it. So it gives us all these three things. So we can use this SEO title. So this video is only for demo purpose, like you have to research on your articles for few minutes that the chat GPT is giving you correct information, because if you don't give correct information, then your article might be removed. Okay, so I just paste the article title, and now paste the article content in this content area. Okay, yes, that's it. Okay, so after that, also when you start publishing an article, it will be automatically published within 10 minutes. So make sure to edit all these things or set up all these things within these 10 minutes. Okay, because after 10 minutes it will be automatically published and you will not able to edit that. So make sure to edit all these or publish all these things within 10 minutes. Okay, so here you can see this icon, edit snippet. Here you can give the SEO title. Okay, you can pause this video while doing all these things. I suggest to write one article along with this video, because this will give you more clarity. Okay, after that you will be frequent with this if you're not using any website or WordPress website earlier. Okay, also we enter this focus keyword. Okay, here so here we can see other recommendations. It will be good if we can make this score as more as possible. Okay, so this is this image, we can use an image. Okay, but make sure to finish this publishing part within 10 minutes, because the article will automatically go live after 10 minutes. So after that it will not allow us to add anything like images or something like that, because the article is live now. Yes, here also we just missed this time. So make sure to publish this article within 10 minutes once you start writing, or once you start pasting the content thing in the new post section. Okay, yes, so this is saved, published, submit for review. Done. Okay, it is asking me to leave the site. Just checking. Again. Okay, no issue, because the article is already published. Ignore this one, this is just a basic error. Okay, the rise and impact of better diversion beyond. Yes, the article is published. So the most important thing that you need to publish unique articles and publish it like this. Okay, but make sure to publish hit publish button within 10 minutes, otherwise it will be automatically published and you were not able to add or import anything. So this is spread the love, the sharing buttons. If you share your articles on all the platform, then it will give direct views. So I suggest you to write, not write, but to make account on all these sharing platforms and share all the articles like this. I'm just showing on Twitter, like you can add the hashtags on Saturday Night Live and the Peter Davidson. Okay, that is enough. So this post will be visible on all these hashtags, and people click on that and go to website to read these articles, and that will increase the views. So increasing views will be help you to increase your revenue. So getting uh, share all on all platforms is very much important. And then you can write on the post, write new post by clicking on new and then post in the top bar. Okay, so here you can see post pay counter, and here it shows one article and two post views. So if you add more articles, then the number of articles will be increased here, and the visits will also increase if you share more and more. Because if you share on all the social platforms, then this article got different views, and once this article start getting views, then it will be unlimited.